Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Links and Drinks with Staci B. I am your host, your favorite chocolate bartender, Staci B. Alright y'all, so today we will be creating a jacked up lemonade. Can y'all guess what's in here? You got that right, Jack Daniels, baby. Now all we're gonna need is some Jack. You can get honey too, if that's what you prefer. We're gonna use some raspberry liqueur. And we're gonna top it off with some Sprite, all right? Or whatever lemon lime soda. It could be Kirkland brand, it could be BJ's brand, as long as it's lemon lime, all right? So, the person that picked this drink for us today, okay? She's also our guest, obviously. And she is a cannabis connoisseur, okay? As well as a yoga instructor, and as well as just an amazing person, okay? So I would love to introduce Dyani! All right, y'all. We have Dyani in the building. What's up, girl?
What's up?
So, this girl's favorite drink is obviously whiskey, okay? Whiskey, yeah, it's a little strong though.
Well, we could. Alright.
Nah, it's okay. It's okay. Listen. The strongest of the strong gotta drink the strong, okay? Period. Alright, so let's get this started. Alright, so first, I'm gonna fill up your shaker with ice. So in the meantime, I want you to tell everyone what it is that you do, okay? Because I know what you do.
All right.
Okay? But I don't think they know what you do, so put them on.
Okay, so I've been running an edible company for the last 4 years.
Edibles.
Yes, girl. Cannabis. I'm a Cannibas Advocate. Some other things that I do on the side, I'm a notary. And I help run my mom's business as well. She runs a fitness studio. She teaches spin class, so I help with that. And then I'm also learning myself to be a yoga instructor.
So, you do your Canni Crave, isn't that what it's called?
Yes, that's my company, Canni Crave Confectionery.
Follow them, y'all. Now, what kind of stuff be on the menu? Because you literally have like all types of goodies, all types of snacks, even food, y'all, like chicken parm, rasta pasta. Put them on.
So I try to keep it diverse. How the idea started was from me being broke, to be honest.
That always happens.
Yes, I was in college and I needed help paying off my tuition. And I had 3 jobs at the time and that shit still wasn't cutting it. So got this bright idea. I first started making edibles, I think when I was like 17. I like experimented in somebody else's kitchen, not my kitchen. But I don't know, it just occurred to me to just try it, experiment a little bit. And I just wanted to do things that like I would eat but want to get high over eating, so.
Instead of smoking.
Right,
Gotcha.
So it's an alternate way to get high. It's more discreet. You can kind of like manage how much you're eating at the same time. So I do treats, I do cookies, brownies, cereal bars, Rice Krispie treats, and then on the food side I do beef patties, and that's kind of just like reflective of my Jamaican heritage. And then that ties in with the marijuana too, so you know, catered events, I've done vending, like I'm just trying to get every bit of money I can.
That's it. That's
putting my hand in every pot.
And a business also always has to start from when you are like, you have nothing.
Facts.
And that's the most, like, that's where you get all of your drive from. But let's get back to making this drink.
Yes.
Okay. So what we're gonna do real quick, we're gonna do 4 counts of some Jack Daniels, okay? So we're gonna hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Hit that. Yeah. Look cute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ha! Nice.
That was cute.
Now we're gonna add some raspberry liqueur.
Okay.
We're gonna put 2 ounces, okay? We're actually gonna, you have the number right here. You have 1. So we're gonna put 2 of these in here, okay?
Okay.
So we have 1.
Alright.
Simple wimple. Okay.
I feel like a fucking mad scientist.
And now we are going to shake it up. It's a curd?
Yeah.
It's a curd?
Yeah.
Alright. And if y'all heard me in the last video, the more you shake, the less strong it is, okay? So, you want it to taste like ice, keep shaking. If you want it to be strong, 1, 2, boom, you're done.
I'm weak.
Okay? So now, we have our cup. Let's move that to the side. right, so what I'm gonna do is take my berry. You have one. Take your mincer. Just mix that up a little bit. Alright? Now, you take your drink. Pour it right in there. And now we're gonna top it off with Sprite.
Nice.
Alright? Now y'all, this is a very simple, fresh, and easy drink. Okay?
Summertime, it's light. I like this.
Alright? And I'm going to garnish it with some raspberries. I love raspberries. I think raspberries are so cute. I have one right here for me. And we're gonna drop yours. Keep yours right there.
Cute.
Okay. And there we have it, y'all. A jacked up raspberry lemonade, okay? We're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. Let's try it.
Cheers. That's good. That's good.
Girl, I'm nervous. I might get a little lit.
Yeah. Facts.
Ooh.
The
Girl.
blackberries and the yeah. Perfect.
Make sure y'all try this at home, and when y'all do, please tag me, Links and Drinks with Staci B, cause this.
Be making this at home.
Okay. Now, Dyani.
Yeah.
How long have you been a cannabis activist? Because I honestly believe that you are definitely that.
Yes, I would say I'm a cannabis advocate, activist. The business has been open for 4 years now. I started smoking at like 15, 16, so maybe that's when I became an advocate, I would say.
Now, the whole feeling after you eat these products, right? Would you say it's to each his own?
I moderately dose my edibles. There's nothing on the menu that's really gonna knock you out, but everybody's body is different. Your endocannabinoid system is unique to you, so what might get you high or what's your
Sorry, I need a
got you.
Sorry, girl.
Your endocannabinoid system is basically your endocrine system. Everything in your body that's connected to your muscles, what excretes your, what do we call those from science class?
Hormones?
All your hormones and all of that. Yeah, it has to do with that. So there's receptors all over your body, and someone's receptors may be more open than yours. Some people have like numb receptors from traumas or whatever the case may be, but that and other factors will determine your tolerance level. So I can probably eat a cookie and that'll be good for me, but you might eat a cookie and you probably need two. So that's kind of how it is. It's unique to everybody, but all of my treats are moderately dosed because I don't want anybody stuck to the couch. I want everybody to have a comfortable, high, but I can make those things. I just choose not to. I don't want to be responsible.
Okay, I hear that, I hear that. Also, before this Corona thing happened, because I know Corona has just been
Miss Rona.
Corona's been a pro and a con in everybody's lives lately. However, prior to that, I've been watching you, of course, and I saw that you were in Albany. Yes. For what? Can you tell everybody?
Okay, so I work with a couple of organizations. One is Long Island Progressive Coalition, one is Vocal NY, and a couple other that are cannabis friendly. We're all cannabis advocates, and we pretty much just take trips to Albany since it's been introduced to New York to try to legalize recreationally marijuana. It hasn't really been working in the past 2 years, but I'm a part of a couple organizations that are really pushing and doing the groundwork and are with the grassroots movement in the communities and making sure that people are voicing and expressing their advocacy for cannabis, basically. Yeah. So that's on the horizon. With this Corona stuff, it really pushed back our agenda a lot. So not sure what the rest of this year is gonna hold, but we're positive about it. Okay. Yeah. I personally have cards on hand if you want to contact me. My personal Instagram is Badgyalpoca, BADGYALPOCA, or my business Instagram is Canni Crave More, CANNICRAVEMORE. I have personal cards on me that basically you can just sign. It has a general statement on the front that says that You support the legalization of cannabis and the regulation of cannabis, because that's the second part of it. We don't want legalization just for it to be a free-for-all. Everybody's outside smoking weed.
It has to be regulated.
It has to be regulated, yeah. So if you want to contact me and sign one, we send those off to Albany to your respective senators. And that just shows proof that in their district they have people that are advocating for it.
Now I know a lot of my audience are cannabis users, so to actually normalize this, because it's already normalized,
right,
us in our generation,
right?
To actually get it legalized,
yeah.
Normalized and legalized are two different things, y'all. So you know, people still categorize it as drugs,
right? It's still,
you know what I'm
considered
saying,
a Schedule I drug. Even though it's decriminalized at this point in New York, people are still getting citations and summonses for it. Makes no sense, but it is what it is at this point. So we just got to keep doing the groundwork and making sure that our representatives hear us. Yeah.
So speak up, y'all. So if you see Dyani, you already know.
Hit me up, yeah. If you want to be
it.
a part, if you want to just show your support in different ways, I have many different avenues, methods. So yeah, it's definitely welcome.
Now, you also help your mom out with her studio. Shout out to your mom.
Jazzy Spin.
Jazzy Spin Fitness, okay?
At Jazzy Spin, JAZZYSPIN 11 on Instagram and on Twitter, I believe, yes.
Now, I've been, like I said, I grew up with this girl, okay? And her mother literally owns this studio. Okay, she does spin. What else she does? She does spin
and training,
and
like
just straight training.
So like fat burning. She has specialty classes for that. She's a registered nurse for over 20 years. She's been doing spin classes for 11 years. We just got our spot, like her studio. It's actually hers. Before she used to like work in other gyms and kind of contracted out her work. But now we have our own spot at 438 Elmont Road.
Yeah.
Right next to 7-Eleven.
Right next to 7-Eleven. Y'all know where that 7-Eleven's at.
And she's most known for her spin classes, but using like her playlist. It's not like what you hearing on the radio all day, every day. It's not like pop or anything like that. She really gets into culture and mixes dance hall, reggae, hip hop, soca. She'll do throwback rides. She has theme rides. Like, it's a great time. And it's a great way to get exercise, but not feeling like you exercise because you feel like you got a fit.
Literally, I'll be scrolling on Instagram. I passed one of her mother's posts like,
it's lit.
Jump under the air, it looks so lit, y'all. And it really looks fun.
It is fun.
You just being in there, not even realizing that you're actually exercising.
Yeah.
You're literally having a blast. Now, with this yoga, okay, because you've always talked to me about it, but now you're actually implementing it, and I'm so happy. Shout out to you, kudos to you.
Thank you.
Cheers, let me cheers, because we still got our drink here, all right? Cheers to you on that. Let people know what yoga means for you, because I know what it means for me. It's a type of, you know, relaxation. It's a time for me to stretch. Shout out to all my ballers, all my student athletes out there. For preseason, we used to do yoga, and even like on Fridays to just stretch and just relax, release all the bullshit, you know.
Definitely therapeutic. Yeah. Yoga is really like a full body, full self experience. It's like mental, it's physical, it's spiritual. And I enjoy it personally because I have anxiety. I was actually clinically diagnosed last year with anxiety. And it's one of the things that I use to help just kind of detox, meditate, and it's just a coping tool for me pretty much to like deal with being anxious or like having a panic attack or something like that. It's like the first thing that brings me back to normal. Nothing else really centers me like yoga.
Yeah, so like you get in tune with your breathing.
Yes.
With just
with your body.
Everything. You just relax,
bro. Yeah, it helps me with my anxiety. It helps me meditate. It helps me calm down. It helps me be in tune with myself. It just helps me be present when things are crazy like the world is right now, and you need to just focus on one thing or just center yourself to get into a better mood. Definitely recommend stretching in any sense or yoga. Yeah.
All right. For sure. And when do you give classes?
Okay,
And
so
where?
I did my first class last 2 weeks ago, and that was virtual. It was free. It was via Zoom. So I'll be doing another one, and that's powered by Jazzy Spin Total Fitness. The next one is sometime in June. I'll keep you guys updated on that. I don't think we have a date as yet, but it will be free again via Zoom.
Oh, okay.
Excuse me.
It's hitting, huh? All right, real quick. We're gonna play a quick game, okay? All right, it's gonna be 5 easy questions, and you just gotta answer them pretty quick. Okay. All right. Ready?
Okay.
Okay. What was your first drink?
My first drink ever in life?
Yes.
I really don't remember, but I remember the first drink that got me up.
Okay,
and
what
I
was
never drank it again.
What?
Bacardi Dragonberry, bro. You will never catch that in my hand.
Bacardi Dragonberry. All right, cool. All right. What's the last drink you just had?
This.
What was it called?
Lemonade, raspberry lemonade.
Jacked up raspberry lemonade.
Jacked up raspberry lemonade.
Say, jacked up raspberry lemonade. Okay.
I can't fuck with
Second one. I mean, no. Third
one.
Third question. All right.
You lit too.
On the rocks or frozen?
Frozen.
Frozen, yeah, me too. Frozen's good. Okay. Question number 4. Bring your own bottle event. What you bringing?
What am I bringing? I'm bringing either champagne
Ooh.
or Douce.
Ooh. Why don't we bring both?
Right.
No, for real.
Both.
Both. Okay, cool. Okay, Ms. Hotshot. Yeah, she got money. Okay. Last question.
Okay.
You ready?
I am.
If you were to describe yourself in a drink,
Oh,
what would it be? And why?
Oh, I like this. I like this that you chose for me today.
Why?
It's your creation. You created it. So that's a plus. But I like it because it has whiskey in it. I like whiskey. Whiskey is usually my go-to because it has that kick.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it's also sweet. Like it has the blackberries, the raspberries, and that's me. I got a kick, but I'm sweet.
Talking about sweet the juice. You see the blackberries sitting on top, right?
Yes.
Ooh. That was good, girl. Yeah, I like your answers. Guys, this wraps up another episode of Links and Drinks with Staci B. Where can they find you one more time, Dyani?
Badgyal Polka. BADGYALPOCA or CANNICRAVEMORE. Canni Crave More.
That's it.
Thank you for having me.
No problem. Shoot. And y'all can also follow me at The Real Staci B.
Yes.
And y'all can follow Links and Drinks at Links and Drinks with Staci B.
Facts.
Period.
Entertainment.
Okay. Until next time, y'all.